Rats are small to medium-sized rodents that belong to the genus Rattus. There are several species of rats, but the two most common species are the black rat Rattus rattus and the brown rat Rattus norvegicus. Rats are found all over the world, and they are often considered pests because they can cause damage to crops and buildings. And they can also spread diseases to humans and other animals. Rats are social animals and they often live in groups called colonies. Within these colonies, there is a hierarchical social structure, with dominant rats taking on leadership roles and subordinate rats following their lead. Rats are omnivores, which means that they eat both plant and animal matter. They have a strong sense of smell and can locate food sources quickly. They are also excellent climbers and swimmers, which helps them to move around their environments and avoid predators. In addition to being pests, rats are also used in scientific research, particularly in the fields of psychology and medicine. They have been used to study everything from addiction to cancer. And their genetic makeup is similar enough to humans that the results of these studies can be extrapolated to humans. Overall, rats are fascinating creatures with a complex social structure and adaptability that has allowed them to thrive in many different environments. Rats have a lifespan of about 2 to 3 years in the wild, but they can live longer in captivity. They are highly reproductive animals, with females capable of producing litters of up to 12 pups every few weeks. This high reproductive rate means that rat populations can grow rapidly in a short amount of time. Rats are nocturnal animals, which means that they are most active at night. During the day, they tend to hide in burrows or other sheltered locations to avoid predators and conserve energy. Rats are known for their sharp teeth, which they use for gnawing and biting. Their teeth never stop growing, so they must continuously wear them down by gnawing on hard objects such as wood, wires, and pipes. This gnawing behavior can cause damage to buildings and other structures, and can even pose a fire hazard if rats chew through electrical wiring. In terms of their interactions with humans, rats have a mixed reputation. While they are often considered pests and carriers of disease, they have also been domesticated as pets and are highly valued for their intelligence and social nature. Domesticated rats can be trained to do tricks, and they form close bonds with their owners. In many cultures, rats are also considered to be symbols of good luck and prosperity. In the Chinese zodiac, for example, the rat is the first animal in the 12-year cycle, and is associated with wealth, intelligence, and adaptability. One of the most significant ways in which rats interact with humans is through disease transmission. Rats are known to carry a variety of diseases, including hantavirus, leptospirosis, and rat bite fever. These diseases can be transmitted to humans through contact with rat urine, feces, or saliva, or through rat bites. Rats are also responsible for significant economic damage, particularly in agricultural settings. They can consume and contaminate crops, damage infrastructure, and cause losses in stored food products. Despite their negative reputation, rats are also important members of many ecosystems. They serve as prey for many predators, including birds of prey, snakes, and larger mammals. They also play important roles as seed dispersers and soil aerators, helping to maintain the health and biodiversity of their environments. In recent years, there has been growing concern about the use of rodenticides to control rat populations. These chemicals can have negative impacts on non-target species, including predators that consume poisoned rats. Some experts advocate for the use of non-toxic and humane methods of rat control, such as exclusion, habitat modification, and trapping. Overall, rats are complex and fascinating animals that have played important roles in human history and continue to be a part of our lives in many ways. While they can be pests and carriers of disease, they are also valuable research subjects and beloved pets. And they play important ecological roles in many ecosystems.